Okay, I don't know if you heard that or not, but welcome to a brand new video here in the Road Beast place. So, they were going to box these mystery models, and I've been really looking forward to unbox one of these. May do a Lex Talk show to talk a little bit about mystery models in general. I'm really forward, I'm looking forward to do that because I don't know, things are changing, compared to 2013, 15 mystery cars. Was there 2015? I don't know, but old versus new mystery models. So let's get into it. So, as always, no montage or video editing or whatever. So, there we go. Starting off with the package. I'm sorry for the dust because this guy had been sitting for more than 1 month. And these are the cars, I believe. I mean, I think they got all of them. 24 hours. Do you guys see it? 24 hours. You got Circle Tracker, Formulator, Cyber Speed. I forgot the name of that guy. I have it, but I forgot. The Porsche 911. This is a Nissan Datsun. No, just Datsun. I don't know. Formula Street. I don't know. And BMW. Basically, they give you a car and a sticker and a poster. Yeah, it was always like that. And at the back, nothing special except that you can cheat. By the way, you got these numbers. And I'm gonna show you how to know which car you can get on the moment. So let's go ahead and unbox this. I know this car, it's riveted. I always got one, so I got, you know what, let's have two riveted. We got two things. Stickers, obviously. There you go. The name is already spoiling what car are we gonna get. Oops. This is the Portster. We're gonna take a look at that in minutes. And the car itself. I mean, come on, you guys know that I have riveted. You have seen it many times on HW Track Ride. Oops, sorry, I didn't pay attention to that. So Riveted was one of the Axelar Racers models, driven by Torque, no, not Torque, but Toro Gaetano, I believe, and Metal Maniacs. Yeah, the team, basically. I really love this model. It's like a WRC rally car thing. I don't know. Let's take a look at the inside of this thing. You can see that the paint is still there, so really interesting. You got two seats for the driver and his co-host. Let's see the interior. Hope you guys can see something. You got the gear, you got the wheel, and this is it. I mean, I don't know, the windows are actually kind of, oh, there you go, this is a perfect shot. These windows make things go weird. I don't know. Anyways, you got the other wheel for, like, changing the wheel. I forgot what I call it in English, but in French it's called roue de secours. That's how we call it in French. You got the exhausts. I love this model. I got addicted to that car, and I have been looking for it since, I believe, 2012. 10 years now, or 11. I don't really remember if I got it in 2021 or 22, but anyways, 10 years, and here we are. I don't remember the first time I saw it on this, like, track called Loop something. Well, forget about it. Anyways, the base got riveted, the name, the Hot Wheels logo, and this is a symbol. This loop symbol is a proof that the car is a track car and it can work fantastically in booster loops and curves. Beautiful. I like the way it shines. You got also sponsor stickers. You got Girawatt. I've seen this one in another model called Dune Crusher. Yeah, I believe. Number 6. Spoiler, obviously stick to the body. Plastic body, metal base. So for those who are actually curious, metal body, plastic base. You can see that clearly. And yeah, nothing special about the base. I like the engine. Check this out. It's beautiful the way it is. I mean, as long as I love this car, I don't think I will be able to say that there's something missing or something. Oops. So if you're a fan of the Metal Maniac, there you go. Enough of the car. Now let's get into serious stuff. We got the poster. This is, hold on, guards are good. Okay, let's do it. So you need to color this, but I don't have time to color stuff. Also, this is can't remember the name. I got it on the top of my tongue, but it's gone. But hey, you got riveted and twin mill. I forgot it, bro. I have this model. I left it in Morocco. So, pro tip, how to know which car you're gonna get. So here, as you can see, there are numbers from 1 to 10. And so, as you can see over here on the package, P46, I don't know what that means, but here you got 06. And let's see who is 06. It's riveted. That car. So if you want to know which car you're gonna get, just go over here. But if you just, I don't know, maybe you're selective, but if you're like cool with it, you know, you're like, whatever car I get, it's okay. Yeah. I mean, they're supposed to be mystery models, so but sometimes you could get like two cars, the same two cars, you know. Anyways, let's see. We got the Porsche. I'm not a real car fan. I prefer fantasy over real cars. We got these. This one I've seen on my best friends. He was a wheels collector, but he gave up. And so there is Circle Tracker. We got that car. This one as well. I'm really glad to see Prototype H24 again. It's a long time. And came up with one of the recent Traxxas that have been released. Sorry about that. Oh, F1 Racer. So I believe that collectors may go with the Porsche, BMW and Datsun, but also riveted, because I mean, it's a legendary car. I mean, it was featured on the Axel Racers. Beautiful. So this is it. And for the sticker, well, I've actually had one from a giveaway, and I sticked it on my tablet. I don't know, but I still prefer the day where they gave you like cards. And so here we are. Also, always have hand sanitizer, because oops, like this. Anyways, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Oh, that was 10 minutes. Anyways, so yeah, there you go. Beautiful. Also, yeah, whatever. So make sure to be part of the Rogue Beast Plays by subscribing to the channel. Leave a big thumbs up so that we feature more videos, and I'll see you on the Let's Talk show. It's gonna be a beautiful, you know, Let's Talk show, because I really want to go back and bring old days, you know. It feels really good. Anyways, take care, subscribe, bye bye.